In this video, we're going to talk about bread, desserts, and condiments. Bread, bagel, roll, croissant, or we can say croissant. This is a French. Pay attention to this is a French, but in Chinese, we call this as a croissant. I don't know what is that, but yeah, people, they do pronounce croissant. I don't like it. So once again, this is croissant. This is British English pronounced croissant. American English pronounced croissant or croissant. Next one, toast, pasta, spaghetti, rice, noodles, dumplings, cookie, or we can say biscuit, chocolate, cereal, flour, cupcake, pancakes, candy and sweets, cheesecake, mousse, fruit salad, ice cream, cake, meringue, sorbet, or we can say sorbet. Flavorings and condiments, sugar, salt, pepper, oil, vinegar, ginger, jam, marmalade. Pay attention to this word, marmalade. Honey, mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard, chutney, peanut butter, chili flakes, snowflakes. If you know snowflakes, you will understand what is chili flakes. Spices, herbs, or we can say herbs. Some people, they pronounce H, but some people, they don't. Herbs or herbs, parsley, basil, mint, soy sauce, cilantro. This is UK, cilantro. Coriander, UK. Chives. Pay attention to this I. It's like Hive. You say hive, beehive, hive. Dill, lemongrass,